Hi, my name is Jessie Bradley, and I am so excited to get started with this course. So first, just a few things about me. I am originally from Utah, and I started weightlifting through CrossFit in late 2013. I am currently training in Georgia, and over the last 4 or 5 years, I have primarily focused on weightlifting. I have had the opportunity to be coached by some of the best coaches in the country and world. My first coach being Olympian Kara Head Slaughter, and then I was coached by Zygmunt Smalsers at the Olympic Training Center, and then now I am coached by Spencer Arnold at Power and Grace Performance. So I'm really just excited to share with you guys all that I have learned so far. We're going to start this course by talking about some of the benefits of the snatch, and then we're going to spend the bulk of the time breaking the lift down technically. So we're going to start with breathing and bracing, and then we're going to talk about the lift from each position. So after that, we will cover some accessory exercises and pulls that you can add to your training to help you get stronger, but also to help you make some good technical adjustments. After that, we're going to talk about some basic error correction. We'll talk about mental training in the lifts, and we will cover safety. So as you are watching this course, I encourage you to follow along with a PVC pipe or a broomstick. The best way for you to learn is going to be through movement. So I wouldn't suggest going with some weight or a barbell because you want to get in a lot of really light repetitions before you add weight. So the goal is for you to be more comfortable with the lift. And it's my goal to help you be more comfortable in training and to add value to your workouts. And so if at any point you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. So let's get started.